Prime Motion and Control is Australia's leading supplier and manufacturer of hydraulic manifolds and equipment for all fluid power applications, with custom design and manufacture at the core of our business. We pride ourselves on our end-to-end ISO 9001-2015 quality control process, which guarantees your products are perfect the first time. We produce components for various industries, whether standard, repetitive supply or custom designed, including cartridge valves for manifolds, hydraulic power units, oil cooler kits, hydraulic actuators with butterflies, ball valves, hydraulic cylinders, adapter block and housings, and more. Our research and development process is based on our clients' needs and focuses on the continuous development of manufacturing procedures and product quality to directly benefit our customers. We also assist our customers with their R&D projects. We ensure design verification and reviews meet our clients' industrial, statutory and regulatory requirements. Sign up today to be a Prime Unique customer and get a full customised web experience and discount pricing. Prime Motion and Control. Quality product, on time and on budget.